We Talk Football SA. Behind the mic is Mnigeni Mdungu. Before the mic is the great one, Mfundis, jersey number 10. Orlando Pirates ihlulekile ukushaya iDurban City eOrlando Amstel Arena. Mhlawumbe ukuphawula kwakho ungathini ngaloya mdlalo? Ngabe sekuphelile ngePirates noma kuhamba kanjani? Yini eyenza ukuthi iPirates ingadlali kahle?
Yeah, first thing what I can say is I want to greet all our viewers all over the world. So what I can say is that before I go into detail about whether kuphelile ngePirates or akuphelanga, asiqale la ukuthi I've discovered something because Pirates plays a free-flowing football, attacking football the whole 90 minutes. So these opponents, when they play against Orlando Pirates, they employ a tactics called low block football. They sit at the back, and then when Pirates is attacking, they catch them by the counter attacks. So that's what I have seen. Even the game against Casterex, it was the same. The games against Marumo, the game against Richard Bay, they did the same. So according to me, it seems as we have got a problem when we play a Samara team, because they tend to employ a low block football, and it frustrated us a lot.
Yes.
So coming to that question, akungakaphela nge-Orlando Pirates. Orlando Pirates still have a good and 100% to clinch the Betway Premiership for 2026 in Mbombela, in Mpumalanga, next week on Saturday. Because when I'm moving to various football circle, football fraternity, I've heard supporters saying that what happened in Orlando last week, it's going to happen again in Bombela. It's not going to be the same because games are not the same. And what I've also realized is that Orbit College just need 1 point to survive the X of the relegation. And well, now if they draw against Orlando Pirates, they are sharp.
Yeah.
But if they draw against Orlando Pirates is not sharp. So Pirates need 3 points. Does not need to win or lose, or draw. But Pirates need 3 points to just clinch the Betway Premiership. So it's gonna be a tough game. But Orbit College is going to play a good and nice football. But Orlando Pirates at the end is going to emerge as a winner, even though they can employ a low block football, sit at the back, and then try to catch them. But right now, as the players of Orlando Pirates are very much aware that this is the last game, and then we are about right now within this 90 minutes to clinch the cup. I don't think they're gonna allow this one to sleep.
Thank you. Orlando, did the coach get his lineup correct?
Yeah, I can say the coach get this lineup correct and incorrect.
Yeah.
Let me say correct. Correct because he decided to stay with the same lineup that he used previously, but only just one change. So if I say incorrect, is I'm not against Slepe. Slepe is a good player. We saw him play at the DDC. It was marshalling that midfielder well. So maybe when the coach saw that, he realized that let me rest a little bit of Maketen Makaola and put another salt and vinegar, put in Slepe there. I think it destabilized the team a little bit, Yana, a bit, because such a youngster, I know that he had been promoted long time ago, but maybe on that game of such magnitude, because you could see that even the senior players were also struggling sometimes, because looking also at the way Durban City, their tactics on the day of the game. So I think that the coach get it right and also get it wrong somewhere. And also the injury of Mbutuma also displaces him away from his plans, because that system of Mbutuma and the system of Hope are two different systems. And then looking at that, I think the coach, somehow, there was some technical abilities that were not sharp.
Yes.
Yes.
Substitutes, were they effective to change the game? Or let's say the substitution of Mbutuma for Makgopa and the substitution of Ndaba for Hodo, because people were not happy, especially with Hoto substitution. What was your view?
Yeah, the substitution he is spot on there. Yes, it's fine. Maybe he realized that when the game started, John Holt was pushing well, but it came to a point whereby he was not pushing.
Yes.
Yeah, not that he was tired, but there was some